There's a crab. Spars. Okay, I've come away from the lagoon and let's head over to the beach and have a little look. Be nice to actually meet the sea, as much as the lagoon is absolutely beautiful. Over this sand dune, we should be almost there. Woo. Oh yes. Time for a swim! Woohoo! That's good. That's some of the good stuff. Oh, that sand is so hot, it's burning my feet. It's burning my feet, it's burning my feet, it's burning my feet. Oh, that was a bit cooler. Oh, that's a bit cooler. Oh, and it's got hot again. It's hot. It's hot, 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 hot. Oh, that's burning my feet. That's too hot. Oh, that's cooler here. Oh, my feet have got to cool down.